If you're normal and a little bit like me, then at school you probably wondered why you weren't more popular. Now in middle age you can do that on a whole new global scale on TikTok and wonder why you're not more popular. Anyway, is it time to buy Microsoft? Well, the momentum is almost certainly still down. What I've done there is drawn Microsoft since 2018, and the upper red dotted line is 2 standard deviations above the average, which is the blue line, and the red dotted line at the bottom is 2 standard deviations below. Now, at this point, some of you will have suddenly dropped your phone because your head's exploded by the complexity of what I've just said. The point is, I think it's going to continue a little bit lower. I've marked in green where I think it's most likely to go with the momentum on that one. So if you're in it, like me, you'd hold it. Would you buy the dip? Like me considering it? Not yet. I'm going to wait a little bit. It's also a story of what do you do when you get a company with outstanding fundamentals, but the momentum is still down. And that's what it looks like. Yes, I know we'll speak about YOLO to the moon and some weird crypto at some other point. But for now, let's just talk about Microsoft and the need to, stay safe. Look at the links in the bio. Don't forget to subscribe, as I keep saying. Middle-aged men like me need our dopamine hits. So if you subscribe and follow, I get a little electric jolt thanks to my phone. I've got it all wired up. Every time somebody subscribes and follows, I get this electric jolt. It's fairly enjoyable at my age. So make sure you follow. Don't unfollow and follow, but it doesn't happen that way. And look at the links in the bio for free copies of my book and all sorts of other things about investing and the markets and everything else. In the words of Bob Geldof, for God's sake, follow me. I don't think he actually ever said that.